Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Wicked cool car, guys. This is a factory color. Palomar red is what it's called. Of course, it's got the white top. It's got the factory red interior. Tennessee car, good solid straight body. Body and paint on this car and the interior are actually older. Recently, the car's had a ton of upgrades. So mechanically, drivetrain wise, air ride, car's got air. They've added a bunch of stuff to. So like I said, it's got 4,900 miles on the drivetrain, but the actually paint and interior are older on this car. He didn't exactly know when the car was done. The gentleman we got the car from, he completely upgraded. He did all the drivetrain, the radio, that kind of stuff, the air ride system. But gorgeous car. Love the color combination. Great car, hits the road good. Again, good, solid, straight Tennessee body. And there's been a ton of money spent on this car, guys. Again, it's got four-corner air ride. It's down right now. We'll show you how that stuff works. Air ride works quick. Sorry, I'm still recovering from the hip, so we're still shooting stuff inside while the weather's bad. So you can see they've updated the headlights, the chrome and trim. That stuff is in good shape. Definitely not brand new, but still very, very nice. Factory three-piece bumpers. Love the color. Beautiful color. Dark red. Got the dual chrome mirrors. You can see the trim's nice on the car. I love the two-tone. I thought that was super cool. Pretty car. Dual antennas. Of course, it's got those iconic tail lights. Can't get down the best yet, but it's getting there. Hip's getting way better. Again, really appreciate all the people reaching out and checking on me, and it's been really nice. Brand new set of these are what, 18 and 20 inch Lagunas, chrome wheels, new rubber. Again, it's four-corner air ride, four-corner four-wheel disc brakes on the car. It's got front and rear sway bars, drilled rotors. This is a GM 350 crate engine in here. You see it's got the center bolt valve covers. It's got a Holley Sniper EFI kit on it. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's got a Bowtie GM aluminum intake. You can see it's got a billet front runner system on it. Power steering, again, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got an MSD box in this corner over here, and with a Pro Billet distributor, vintage air, aluminum radiator with electric fan. You can see it's got the billet hood hinges, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Ceramic headers on it. Gosh, it's had so much stuff, I'm trying to remember everything. I think. Good looking car. Definitely could not build this car for what we're asking for it, I'll tell you that right now. A-pillar chrome's nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the red power windows. We did the pictures outside for the interior, so it's a little brighter than it is here in the shop. Again, power windows. Factory bench seats, got a tilt column with a factory style wheel. We've got an aftermarket center console built in there. That is a, you'll see it when we turn it on, a Dakota RTX gauge cluster. Really nice. Again, complete custom sound system. It's got some billet pedals in there. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle. Again, does have front and rear sway bars. There's all your air ride system, dual batteries, and it has one of those Wazoo sound system, guys. I don't know if Nathan's played with it yet, but I guarantee you I don't know how to use it, so I can't figure half them out. I've got one of them in a car at home, and I couldn't tell you how it works. Light works in there. Really just a cool car. Clean underneath. As always, I put photos underneath the cars on the website. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of the site. We're pretty much cut up. We got a couple cars coming in. Camaro's sitting out here in the front window. We got to get advertised. We're waiting on a spoiler that we had painted for it, but I know guys are kind of complaining because I wasn't getting done stuff. I couldn't get stuff done, to be honest, because I've been laid up, but stuff was getting sold before we got it advertised. Again, there's your gauges. This stuff lights up really nice in here. Oh, Nathan, do you know how to operate the radio? Oh, okay. Yeah, he's got it figured out. I am not your radio guy. Really nice A-pillar chrome. Runs and drives out real good. Sounds good. You can see it's got a really cool dash in it. 49, 45, I think is what it's showing on here. Lights up in here. Fit on the car is really nice. There's all your switches, everything functions real easy and smooth. Interior light looks like it's working in there. Updated headlights. Gonna raise it up. Oh, sorry. It functions quick, which is nice. That's above ride height, so you can see how far it goes up. Like if you were loading it onto a trailer or something. neat car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.